Every single square foot of a high-end luxury hotel lobby is deliberately engineered for complete emotional control. By the time a guest walks through your front doors, they are exhausted. They've navigated crowded airports, chaotic traffic, and the sheer friction of modern travel. This creates a highly volatile psychological state known in the industry as arrival stress. An anxious guest is a liability. Their elevated cortisol levels make them hypercritical of their surroundings and instinctively skeptical of the premium price they've agreed to pay. You cannot wait until they unpack in their suite to fix this mindset. The intervention must happen at the moment of entry. The lobby serves as an invisible psychological barrier, neutralizing arrival stress on impact to protect the perceived value of the brand. Smart hoteliers prioritize emotional engineering, using the physical environment to recalibrate the guest's biological state. The first biological intervention is light. You will rarely see harsh, bright fixtures upon arrival. Instead, the environment relies on dimmed, warm color temperatures. This specific lighting profile triggers a subconscious physiological reaction. It forces the body to lower its cortisol production, mimicking the safety of a private sanctuary. Next, the auditory layer. The background music drifting through the space is selected through rigorous curation. Elite properties deploy audioscapes engineered down to specific beats per minute. This animated diagram shows exactly what that audio is meant to do. The music is mathematically calculated to catch the guest's elevated transit pulse and physically force their resting heart rate to slow down. Together, the precise calibration of light and sound operates as a coordinated system. It pulls the guest's nervous system out of a defensive state. But the most powerful tool in spatial design is entirely invisible: olfactory manipulation. High-end properties distribute custom, proprietary signature scents directly through their central HVAC systems. We can see the mechanics in this cross-section. Scent particles bypass the frontal lobe, the logic center, and directly illuminate the emotional core. Because scent is tied heavily to recall, this direct trigger locks comfort into the guest's deep memory. This chemical response is deeply reinforced by physical architecture. Lobbies utilize expansive sightlines and wide spacing between fixtures. By intentionally isolating furniture clusters, the floor plan manufactures a subconscious feeling of autonomy and exclusivity. When scent, space, light, and sound merge flawlessly, the guest is unable to isolate the individual parts. They simply experience a sudden, unexplainable drop in stress. This is the moment the property seizes control of the guest's perception. The ultimate financial objective behind this sensory manipulation is manufacturing premium perception. This diagram illustrates the mitigation of price friction. A guest in a state of travel stress remains in a defensive, high-scrutiny mode. By forcing a shift into relaxation, the psychological weight of the nightly rate lowers. As perceived value anchors the experience, resistance to cost dissolves, and the guest subconsciously validates their stay before even seeing their room. Beyond its utility as an entry point, the lobby serves as a calculated financial instrument. The pinnacle of hospitality rests on the mastery of emotional engineering, using sensory precision to define a guest's reality. Mastering this intelligence separates generic hotel operators from elite hospitality strategists. Follow Hoteliers IQ for smarter hospitality insights.